Hi and Zampola. My name is Chimi Dema and I'm from the Kingdom of Bhutan. I'm currently pursuing my Master's in Management at University of Niagara Falls, Canada. I have my Bachelor's in Finance from Gedo College of Business Studies back in Bhutan. I chose Canada for its high quality of life, inclusive society, and abundance of opportunities. I chose Niagara region for its thriving tourism sectors, the natural beauty, and the chance to work under dynamic and diverse environment. I chose University of Niagara Falls, Canada, as they provide strong academic programs, and it is located in a prime area of a globally renowned region. I chose Masters of Management program as it is relevant to the course I've been studying, and it also helps me improvise the leadership skills that I have and also helps me make strategic decisions. Some of the memorable activities that I recall from the classrooms would be the group activities. And during that activity, I get to meet people from all different countries, and I get to learn more about them and their cultures. Masters in Management helped me advance my leadership skills, the strategic decision-making abilities, and prepares me for the real-life internships and hands-on learning experiences. Hi everyone, I'm Chimi and I'm a proud UNF student.